politically, the Sandesh Khali case has no importance or interest among the public of West Bengal. It was done before the election, highlighted before the election by BJP party. There were, alleged, and as we know that the sting operation has proved, whatever that came out, that it was planned by the opposition leader in West Bengal, Subhendu Adhikari. The election has done. The people has mandated against those rumors and those conspiracies.
सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने पश्चिम बंगाल ममता दीदी की सरकार को फटकार लगाते हुए उनकी याचिका खारिज की जो शाहजहां को बचाने के लिए थी। ममता दीदी की संवेदना उन हिंदू महिलाओं के साथ नहीं है जिनका बलात्कार हुआ। मां माटी मानुष नहीं है। बम ब्लास्ट बचाओ, बलात्कारी बचाओ, भ्रष्टाचारी बचाओ बन चुका है और ये उनकी मानसिकता बन चुकी है। प्रियंका वाड्रा, अब तो संदेश खाली के लिए कुछ बोलिए। राहुल गांधी जी, क्या आप संदेश खाली जाएंगे और वहां की महिलाओं के साथ उनके साथ संवेदना प्रकट करेंगे, पश्चिम बंगाल की सरकार पर सवाल उठाएंगे?
Well, Bhavtosh is with us right now. Bhavtosh, good afternoon. Scathing observations being made by the court. However, that means that when it comes to the CBI, it will continue to probe the case. And of course, the one when the EDA team earlier this year was also attacked.
Yes, Amita. In fact, it was in January that the Enforcement Directorate team was assaulted when they had gone to Sandesh Khali while probing the PDS scam, and it was a murderous assault on the ED officials, and some of them suffered very serious injuries. The CBI was then handed over the investigation, and in fact, it was a tug of war between the centre and state. It was the Calcutta High Court which handed over the investigation to CBI. Remember when the Enforcement Directorate asked that the FIR should be filed under serious sections. That was not done, and then Calcutta High Court ordered CBI to investigate this matter, and Calcutta High Court, on directions of the Calcutta High Court, CBI registered a case and subsequently took over the custody of Shahjahan Sheikh, his brother and others. Now, Enforcement Directorate subsequently filed its own money laundering case against Shahjahan Sheikh. Now, as far as the PDS scam is concerned, the Enforcement Directorate has said that it is around 2,000 crore money laundering case. Their investigation revealed that Shahjahan Sheikh was an important person, a person of interest. The subsequent investigation by the Enforcement Directorate revealed that it was around 10,000 crore rupees of money laundering case. It was while probing that case, they had gone to Sandesh Khali, but officials of Enforcement Directorate were assaulted. CBI, once it started investigation, they arrested Shahjahan Sheikh and they carried out their own investigation. Shahjahan Sheikh was booked under sections of attempt to murder. He was charge sheeted.
Right.
He had filed its own case of money laundering, in which they had said that Shahjahan Sheikh had in fact usurped land and carried out his own money laundering operations.
We also have Adrija joining in. Political reactions. Adrija, coming in, the BJP claiming vindication.
Well, absolutely. You see, the BJP and the TMC are again, at the war of words regarding the entire Sandesh Khali matter, because what the BJP is coming out and saying that this is a win for the people of Sandesh Khali who have been assaulted, who have been tortured for years by the TMC strongman Sheikh Shahjahan. But on the other hand, the TMC comes out and says that, there has been a sting operation video that has come forward, and also several, later on several issues and evidence have come forward which has proved that this was the entire matter that happened was orchestrated by the BJP, and especially Subhendu Adhikari, where it was said that he is the one who has smuggled in arms and ammunition to be placed inside Sandesh Khali, and therefore this entire menace that has taken place in Sandesh Khali was absolutely orchestrated by the BJP right ahead of the election to gain certain kind of friction for the election. But what the TMC says that the people have recognized these people, and all the people who were spreading rumors have been mandated against them. So because the TMC have won from that particular constituency in the Lok Sabha elections this time, this is what the TMC is claiming, that the people have recognized the people who were lying, and therefore the people have given their mandate against them. So this is how the entire entire politics is playing out again, in the Sandesh Khali. But of course,
All
the
right.
Calcutta High Court earlier had came down heavily on the state.
We're
government.
waiting as far as how the TMC will be taken up as far as the scathing observations that have been made by the Supreme Court today. When it comes to taking up as far as the High Court order is also concerned, the Supreme Court saying that why is the government so interested in protecting a right or the interests of a particular individual. For the moment, Bhavtosh and Adrija, thank you very much for joining in. You're watching Times Now. We will be back after a short break with the latest headlines.